In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Logi Options on Windows 11. Whether you're switching to a different version or simply freeing up space, I'll walk you through the exact steps clearly and calmly so you can follow along without any hassle. First, make sure Logi Options isn't currently running. If you see it open on your taskbar or system tray, close it to avoid any interruptions during removal. Now let's open the Settings app. Press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut takes you straight into Windows settings and is the quickest way to get where we need to go. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and choose Apps. This is where Windows manages installed software and features. Once you're in the Apps section, click Installed Apps. This opens a complete list of programs currently on your computer. At the top of this list, use the search box and type Logi Options. If you don't see it right away, try searching for Logi Options Plus as well. Depending on what you installed, the name may appear as Logi Options or Logi Options Plus. You only need to find the one that matches what's on your system. When you locate the entry, look to the right side of that row for the three dots icon. Click those three dots to open the Actions menu. From the small menu that appears, select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, so click Uninstall again to proceed. You may also see a security prompt from Windows asking for permission to make changes. That's normal, so go ahead and confirm to continue. At this point, the uninstaller will launch. Follow any on-screen prompts if they appear, and give it a moment to complete. The window may close on its own, or you might see a brief progress indicator. Avoid opening other apps or trying to run Logi Options while the uninstall is in progress. When it's done, the entry should disappear from the installed apps list. If you search for Logi Options and didn't find it at the start, try the search term Logi Options Plus instead, just in case your system uses the newer version name. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Logi Options on Windows 11 using the built-in settings method. If you plan to install a different version later, you can do that anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly remove the software without any confusion.